Hello, thank you for joining me. My name is Molly and this is Lit from Within, and I wanted to provide you just a little bit of background about who I am and where this idea has come from to create this group Lit from Within. So I am a board certified art therapist. I am a trained trauma sensitive yoga instructor. I have been a licensed mental health counselor for the last 8 years. I went to school in counseling psychology and have a background in that. I've also studied mindfulness-based stress reduction, and I have a passionate love for body, mind, spirit connection and the healing arts and energy work and chakras. And I've taken some pranic healing classes, but it really is just about learning that connection. And so I've incorporated these tools into my practice for about the last 11 years. My personal journey is what took me to this place of healing. I had my own experiences in childhood growing up that were difficult at times and disconnected me from my body. And when I got into college, I found yoga and what a healing tool that was. And I connected and learned that safe ways to be in my body, to connect to my body, and to begin to use it as a resource. And I discovered that art was a great healing tool as well. It was a place where I could express myself and explore my feelings and have things be heard. There was no right or wrong way to do it. It wasn't about creating art that was going to go in a gallery or had to be pretty. The art that comes from my heart center, which I call heart work, and so does Brene Brown. If you're familiar with her work, it's different. It's different than artwork on so many levels. So don't let the creativity throw you off. Don't let it be something that, you decide whether you want to do this or not based on feeling like if you're an artist or not, or creative or not. We are all born creative. We are all born intuitive. And those two magical tools together create a higher connection to source. And there's this untapped resource that we have with us all the time that's just there, but we can't tap into it unless we're grounded and unless we have shed some light to some of these wounds that block that energy path. So heal myself and healing I use lightly, but being able to heal those wounds from the past. And what's worked for me, I have practiced with my clients and it's worked for them and it helps them. And that's what this really is all about, is creating this ripple, right? Because we're all these big balls of energy and of light. And we have so many amazing gifts and talents to share with each other. That's our purpose. That's why we're here. So I want to help you discover these gifts and talents, these spiritual gifts and talents that you have, and be able to help you share those with others in only the most unique way that you can. And it's your time. This is our time to shine. So let's do more what lights us up from within. Let's do what brings color back into our world. And let me be able to provide you tools that can help you do that. I will have some freebies on here. I will have some workshops you can sign up for. I will have some online classes and groups and opportunities to do some mentorship with me. Whatever is needed. I want this to be a sacred, open community where you can ask your questions and get some answers and feel supported, and really just know that you are not alone. That this is something we're all going through right now, to let our light shine. And when we let our light shine, it lets turns a light on other people. And when we do that, we continue to just light up the planet. And that's what this time is all about. So Thank you so much, and blessings.